The Air Jordan 1 Low OG Better with Time by Nigel Sylvester lands August 16, 2025, via Nike.com. Jordan as part of Jordan Brand's summer lineup. Evolving from Sylvester's 2022 Friends and Family exclusive High OG, this version trades the rough, distressed swooshes and midsoles for a more refined look. A weathered outsole and subtle imperfections across the black leather upper maintain the theme of beauty through wear, central to Sylvester's design language. Previously dubbed Nitro, the sneaker tells a story rooted in real-life use rather than artificial aging. It reflects a maturing style and personal growth, making it more than just a retro remix. Whether you're a fan of Sylvester's BMX journey or a collector drawn to aged aesthetics, this pair balances nostalgia and newness. With its lived-in vibe and elevated detailing, the Better with Time stands as both tribute and evolution in the ongoing Air Jordan narrative.